Readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Forecast for Imperial County Southwest. Excessive heat watch in effect from Monday morning through Wednesday evening. Today, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Windy. Highs 95 to 100. Southwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly clear. Windy and cooler. Low 63 to 73. West wind 20 to 35 miles an hour. Gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny and windy. Highs 94 to 99. West winds 20 to 30 miles an hour in the morning, becoming north 10 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour in the morning. Thursday night.
But yeah, alright, that's today's test. Great entry into summer vacation for SGX's test. The Jensen over there activated. These 3 radios activated. These 3 weather radios also activated. The Zone Guard Plus activated for unrecognized message. The Zone Guard Plus, I said, if I said that. The 3 Midland weather radios, other than the HH54 activated. Except for this one. Sanji and CL100 activated, which is nice. 991 activated. First Alert WX67 did not activate for some reason. The Radio Shack 12-260 did activate. I'm not too sure about Lil Kobe. I think I already said the Zone Guard Plus did activate. The Alert Race EAR-10 activated. And the Eton FR800 weather tracker also activated. You know what I mean. Weather tracker FR800. But yeah, I'm going to go, since it's summer vacation for me, I am going to be going after PSR and VEF's test. Not LLX's test, because I don't appear to be getting that station. But yeah, next up are the 2 tests, or next tests for today. But yeah, that's it. I had to skip PSR because my phone was on for too long and it started to get too hot. But anyways, we got VEF because I learned from the mistakes I made. Try to film this as quick as possible because there are a whole bunch of bees over there. But yeah, that concludes today's weekly test video for whatever date this is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.